Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope on Wednesday said that the Delta Plus variant could be more virulent than the other variants present in the country. The Union Health Ministry on Tuesday also tagged the variant as the variant of concern. Currently, there are more than 40 cases present in India. Most of the cases come from Maharashtra, Kerala, and Madhya Pradesh. Now, what exactly is the Delta Plus variant? The Delta Plus variant is a mutant strain which has emerged from Delta variant. Currently, this stands as a threat to India. The Delta Plus variant is currently limited to a smaller number of areas but is expected to grow. The scientists are still doing the research. What does the Union Health Ministry have to say about it? The Union Health Ministry has tagged the variant as a variant of concern. However, the World Health Organization or the WHO still hasn't tagged it as the variant of concern and says we need much more evidence to claim it as one. According to a statement released by the Indian Health Ministry, it also claims that it has increased transmissibility. Is the vaccine effective against the new strain? The scientists claim that it is way too early to comment about the effectiveness of the vaccine against this new strain. However, scientists in India also claim that Covaxin and Covishield are effective against this new variant. How many cases have been detected till now? At present in India, there are more than 40 cases of Delta Plus variant. Apart from this, 11 more countries have detected the Delta Plus variant, which includes the UK, the US, Russia and Japan. To give us more information about the Delta Plus variant, we are also joined by Dr. Uday Bodhankar to tell us more.
Vaccine will be effective in Delta variant. Yes, the study which has been shown by the ICMR and government, it has been shown that both the vaccine, Covishield and even Covaxin, has got protective value against Delta variant. So don't worry, they have got protective value maybe ranging from 50 to 70%. So kindly see to it that you take any of the vaccine available, either Covishield or Covaxin, wherever it is available in all the government of India has already announced that all the vaccine will be available free of cost to all the 130 crore population. So kindly get it.